So basically, IE has a system that if you're a non-thesis student, you have to finish like a minimum of 7 courses from IE, and for graduation, you have to finish 30 credits. So you end up taking 21 credits from the IE department itself. Out of all the IE courses that I've taken yet, I've finished like 21 credits yet. I've taken a total of 5 IE courses. I would definitely recommend the course called Quality Control. The professor is an Indian. He did like his bachelor's from IIT Madras, and he's like a double PhD student. He is an excellent professor. He interacts with you and he teaches you in a way that every student understands. Any senior or even any person from my batch who's taken his course will definitely recommend that you do take his course. It's a basic probability and statistics course that you basically apply your probability and statistics distribution and stuff to an industrial or manufacturing unit for assessing your quality and defects and all that in your manufacturing process. So that is a very important course if you want to even get your base in probability and regression. There are courses such as design and control of manufacturing systems, which is again inventory management and how do you control your production systems, stuff like that. There are courses where professor will teach you simulation softwares such as Arena for optimization of an entire layout. So that is also a pretty cool course because totally simulation based. There is no theory in that course. You just have to code. These are just courses that come in the fall semester. Like there are different courses that are offered every semester. You have to see your curriculum as to what courses are being offered. But generally, fall courses do have these 3 courses available. So you can take these courses, but the professor will change. So the course of quality control, I think there are 3 or 4 professors, but the one that I took under is the best professor. So I would recommend taking it under him if he's teaching it. In any case, definitely go and take that course. It's a basic course. You need to understand what probability and statistics and how it can help you in an industry. In the second spring semester, you can specialize according to your own interests. There are courses in data analytics, there are courses in manufacturing systems, in lean manufacturing, production systems, and so it's basically according to your interest. If you're not decided on what specialization you want, you can come here for the first semester, take the basic courses, which I think everyone will take. These courses do fill up pretty fast because everyone takes them. They're pretty popular courses, and because you have to finish 7 IE credits by the time you graduate. So if you're not decided, do take these courses and at least talk to your seniors as to what course they took the next semester or during their course, so that you understand that what professors are good, what courses are good, and how can you manage those many number of credits in one semester. Because when you finish a semester, you sort of understand, okay, so I finished these many credits, I can probably work through the semester using these many credits, or I can take more, or I have to take lesser. It definitely does. I mean, if not a lot of people will ask for that on an online application, but there are definitely, like even in your career fairs, these people will ask you above 3.5 is a good GPA. No, there are times where you just have to speak to your advisor. She will tell you if it is possible where you can take another section of that same course under the same professor, or you can just go talk, like sit on. So basically, the first 2 weeks is a time where you can drop the course. So a lot of students drop the course or add the course in the first 2 weeks. After registration, if you didn't get the course, don't lose heart. In the next semester, you will definitely get the first 2 weeks where you can continuously monitor the system to see how many people have dropped the course. So you can just add the course from there, or you can just go to the first lecture. You can talk to the professor saying that even I know the class is full, but I do want to attend the class badly, and just keep on convincing him. He will definitely talk to your advisor and make it happen.